Fuel NKU, an organization designed to provide food security for all students, partnered with Norse Commons to host a teaching kitchen where students were taught how to cook.
It was for free for anyone to join. You just had to sign up and come in. We made a little chili and a small salad. It was an apple salad with some cucumbers in there. It was mainly for students who just wanted to learn how to cook with the resources on campus. So everything given to us was from NKU Fuel, which is a great resource for students who don't have the money to go out and spend hundreds of dollars for groceries.
The past couple of years that I've been working here at the pantry, some barriers for our students really come down to, what do I do with this? Maybe don't necessarily know that you can do different things with vegetables, with different products that we have at the pantry.
This is like the perfect age to learn how to cook because you need to feed yourselves. So I've been doing cooking classes for probably about 15 or 16 years. I really love teaching like teenagers and young adults because, again, we spend so much money on fast food. We know that there's such a connection between processed food and poor health, and so I want people to eat healthy now so that they prevent diseases later.
I almost didn't come, gonna be 100% honest, but I decided to come because I love cooking. It's something that I've been doing with my mom for a really long time, and I love learning like new recipes because the ones I know are just her recipes. And I also liked how there was freedom today too, to like kind of play with like what you have. Like if you didn't want to add an ingredient, you didn't have to. And if you wanted to add extra, like there was cheese, hot sauce, there was extra seasonings and stuff. So like having that freedom to like cook and like have fun was a really nice way to like find a way to get out of your dorm and like get out and do something.
Here at Norse Commons, for the Northerner, I'm Olivia Herman.